Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan Fouché. Thank you so much for watching this video. You know, a lot of people ask me about my favorite platform, which is Fiverr. And that is, how do you make so much money on Fiverr, and what is in it for Fiverr? What's their cut? How does all that work? So in this video, I'm going to show you what Fiverr's cut is off of your work, how that all works, and why it's actually kind of okay that they take a cut. So you can make money doing voiceover work on Fiverr, and I'm going to show you how. Here we go. All right, so here we are in Fiverr. I am in my order section, which just basically shows me all the information about my order. This was an order that was completed, as you can see, on October 16th, 2021. And here is what the price of the order actually is. So what I'm going to do is show you the breakdown of, how we got to this number, and then what eventually I'm ending up with, what Fiverr's cut is and how that works. So the gig was to record an e-learning voiceover for up to 1,266 words. I had one revision. It was a HQ audio format. I sold them commercial rights, and I split the files up to 5 files. And it took me 3 days to do this. And then the client paid $270 to Fiverr. Now, how much did I get? How much of that did I get? So Fiverr takes out 20%. So here's what I ended up with. I earned $216 out of that $270. So you may be asking, okay, well, what am I actually getting for that 20%? To give Fiverr $54, what am I getting for that $54 that I am not earning from this particular order? So what I am getting from Fiverr for that 20% is I am getting unlimited marketing from them. I do not have to do any marketing when I am on Fiverr. When I play the game correctly, I am able to earn quite a bit of money on Fiverr. So this is how you are able to make money on Fiverr, because Fiverr promotes you with your tags that you select, with your thumbnails that you create. You still have to do a lot of work, but I don't have to do any kind of cold calling, email marketing. I don't have to do any of that. I just basically kind of live in Fiverr's world, and they do all the marketing for me. What they also do for me is they do all of my invoicing for me. I never have to chase after a client for my money, which is really amazing. And when I think about all the work that I do on Fiverr, if I had to create all of those invoices myself, that would take a lot of time. And so it actually saves me quite a bit of time because Fiverr handles all that component of my business. Additionally, with my other clients who I have through email, that I got from LinkedIn, that I got from, my marketing efforts, I have maybe like 1 or 2 clients who pay me immediately. Most of them are 30 days out. Some of them are 45 days out. Some of them are 60 days out. So I go ahead and I, record my e-learning voiceover or whatever voiceover it is. I don't get paid sometimes until 60 days, until after I've delivered. 60 days. With Fiverr, it's 7 days. Fiverr gets paid immediately before the job even starts. They get paid. The buyer, the client, has to go ahead and pay Fiverr immediately. Before they even hire me, they have to pay Fiverr. And then once I complete the job and the buyer approves it, the client approves of the job, then I get paid. And I just have to wait 7 days for that money to come to me. And I can actually get the money quicker if I take a little bit of a hit, which I never do because I can wait 7 days. But that's what I am getting. I'm getting promotion with Fiverr with that 20%, and I am getting the invoicing. With Fiverr, I also have a selling coach that I can contact at any time. I can ask this particular selling coach any kind of question about my gig. If I'm seeing a decrease in my sales, or if I have an idea about a new gig, I can contact him and say, hey, this is what's going on. Tell me what you think. And he is totally plugged in with Fiverr because he works there, and he's all about, making sure that I sell for them. And so he's going to tell me exactly what I need to hear to be able to make more sales. Also, another thing that I get with Fiverr are just like different like webinars that I can attend that talk about different sales opportunities, growth opportunities that help me. Fiverr also offers courses that I can take on just basic SEO, website marketing, and I've taken some of those courses. They're actually pretty great. So Fiverr does offer a lot. For that 20% that you don't get, you get quite a bit. And so, I always kind of look at it like that. It's a total win-win for me. I'm happy to give them the 20% because they do so much for me. And I've actually converted some of my clients who I got through, LinkedIn or my own promotional marketing. I've gotten them to go ahead and get on Fiverr as well. I've transferred them onto the Fiverr platform. And even though I am taking that cut, that 20% cut, the whole invoicing thing is really huge. And the fact that I get paid so quickly is really, really huge too. Also, when I can get my clients onto Fiverr, I can keep the project within scope. And that is sometimes difficult to do with clients when I'm just contacting them through email or, through my own efforts. Sometimes things can kind of creep up, like, they'll ask, hey, can you do this? Or here's this one little revision. When I have it on Fiverr, they have to follow the Fiverr rules. So if they do have a revision 2 months after the fact, they have to pay for that revision. I don't have to haggle for that. I don't have to worry about any of that. So I would say definitely it is worth it. You can make money doing voice work on Fiverr. You absolutely can. And I encourage you to try out Fiverr. If you were totally against it like I was in the beginning, maybe I've changed your mind, maybe not. But I do want to thank you for definitely watching this video. And you'll also notice that in the description, there is a course that I actually took when I first got on Fiverr. And that is a course that, an online course done by my friend Anthony Pica. And it's called How to Make $20,000 on Fiverr. If you'll purchase it, I think you'll really get a lot of value out of it. And I think you'll make $20,000 or more, just like I did. So be sure and check that out in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.